Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the iBELL Diamond Dry Iron. On the front of the box, we have an image of the iron itself. Over here, we can see that it is a 1000 watt iron, and up top, we have a couple of ISI certification symbols. Over here, we can see that it is a lightweight dry iron. On the left hand side of the box, we have a few of the technical specifications, which include a power supply of 230 volts at 50 Hz, power of 1000 watts, gross weight of 800 grams and net weight of 700 grams. Underneath that, we have a sticker on which we have some manufacturing information and the details regarding the customer care. On the right hand side of the package, we have a few of the features which include a swivel cord for easy ironing, adjustable thermostat control, power indicator, PTFE non-stick coating and shockproof plastic body. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front. The top is pretty much the same as well, and there's nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up is the terms of the additional warranty, and next is the warranty card itself. We recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Coming to the iron, we can see that it is actually quite lightweight as mentioned on the box, and it has a white and navy blue color scheme going for it. It's predominantly white with some navy blue accents on the top, on the regulator or thermostat, and on the bottom as well. The rest of it is pretty much white in color. On the side, we have some iBELL branding, and over here we have the pilot lamp. Underneath the handle, we have the thermostat, which we spoke about earlier, and that can be used to adjust the temperature of the iron according to various materials that are listed out on it. On the bottom, we have a sticker that protects the non-stick surface of the heating plate, and we'll keep that on. And underneath the heating plate, we have another sticker that has some of the technical specifications that we have already gone through earlier. Coming to the cable now, the base of the cable has a swiveling kind of thing which basically protects the cord from breakage, and the cord itself is approximately 5 feet long. On the end of the cord, we have a standard 3-pin Indian plug that we see in most Indian households. So this was the unboxing of the iBELL Diamond Dry Iron. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.